Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file on the left, and I've already reduplicated. I'm pretty close. They wanted to know how you could draw that, and I think it's really pretty easy. Let's get that out of the way and that out of the way. And I'm going to start in the center of the page with a 2-point line. I'm going to hit P. That doesn't really matter. I counted, there's 30 segments to this. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to rotate it 12 degrees, which would give us the 30. And because we're working at the center of the page, and you always rotate a line from the center, that was relatively easy. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from that node to that node. And then I'm going to grab the twirl tool. And I'm going to go 1 inch. And I'm going to grab maybe that line in the center, and I'm going to twirl it. Now, there'll be a bunch of broken lines here. As you can see, these are all, some of them are connected, some of them are not. So to make them connected, I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool, and then I can left click, right click. And there's a lot we could do, but I'm just going to Control D and make a duplicate, change the rotation, and rotate it that 12 degree. And then just go all the way around. Then we don't need those interior lines. We can take the virtual segment delete key, and we're touching every line. Now we've got some broken, parts. These are made up of 30 broken parts, but if we use the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and then left click, right click, and now it's all one piece, and we can do what we want to with it. And then you could go to your pen tool, set it something other than a hairline, and also scale with object, real important. So when you do make this thing smaller to the shape you want, it doesn't do anything. Let's see how we did. Let me make my new one a little bit smaller. So I've done the 2 up top, and the example was at the bottom. That's pretty close. Of course, we're looking at it upside down, but we take this one and put it closer to our edge. Let's do that right there. Boy, that's a match. Well, mine's a little bit longer, and this one's a little bit shorter. But I don't think that matters. I think they're just trying to get the idea across to have that. I don't know what they're going to do with it. I just wonder if we took this and put it in the center of the page and just playing. This is how I play and learn stuff. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it. Look at the shape you got. I mean, you would have never expected that if that was something you wanted to engrave. And you could actually, you've got one of them, so you could rotate it half of that 12 degrees, which would be 186. And look at that. Total different look. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.